Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars. Back in the workshop, and I thought I'd give you a little update on the Chameleon car, as we're calling it these days, with the flip wrap that's on it. Now, if you haven't seen this car before, your first time tuning in, welcome. But also, look at this. This is what we build here at MK Sportscars. An awesome car. This is called a Cup 200 because it's got a Hayabusa engine, which I'll show you in a minute. But we don't normally do this. We do standard like 10 colours. But this has been wrapped in this amazing flip colour. I can't really, probably can't see it on the camera, but I can't really describe even what colour it is. It's gold, it's green, it's bronze, it's red, it's everything. So what we've got here is our chassis, which is a Lotus inspired chassis with inboard front suspension. So it has a push rod inboard suspension here. I'm just going to scoot round there, and then let's get the bonnet off and show you what's underneath. Now, I know you guys that tune in regular and my regular avid followers know exactly what it was all about. So it's a Suzuki Hayabusa engines, generation 2, but this one is a 1440cc. So it's done by RLM Race Engines, kicking out just above 235 horsepower, with what's called a generation 3 Hayabusa throttle bodies on drive-by-wire. So it has a motor here and here that drives it. There's a cable operated up to the motor, but then the throttle body is driven by the actuator motor there as well. So nice and clean, really detailed, massive horsepower, angled throttled bodies, adapters on it. Billet fuel rail in here, which is really nice, onto the Gen 3 throttle bodies with the billet angled adapters, the MK Sportscars branded air filter, really smart. And then we've got all the steering column in here, which is all IVA compliant for the UK, collapsible here and on the boss. And even the sump system, we use a special Wemp sump system we work with our partners at RLM Racing on, and that comes with, which most bike engines don't, a nice little dipstick to measure your oil. So how cool is that? You can't get it wrong really then. You would hope to get it right. So all inboard front suspension in there. That's from these push rods on a rocker system. Nice and clean, detailed, quick release nose cone with these little Dezeus fasteners. We've got all-in-one all-in-one H pattern bulbs with LED indicator lights here. Now they are a little bit high and everything else, but they have to be this high and these dimensions to make it compliant for the road. And then if you want racing or you're doing it after that, we do actually do a lowered race version, which we can do with an LED light as well. Moving along into our FIA roll cage. So safety is very important for us. This car is an extremely fast car on the road or on track or in sprints, hill climbs, whatever you're using it for. This is important, so it's really bolted into the structure of the chassis, nice and secure, making you as an occupant very, very safe. This also has on it here a freewheel. So this is a steering wheel, double D, with the indicators all on the steering wheel. They're all wireless, high beam, horn, fog lights, all of that stuff on here, and it's all remotely done, no wires on here. It's all with a little battery pack behind here, and you've got a nice little 5-inch AIM dashboard, which gives you all your basic stuff here with your lights, your indicators, all of that, with our nice little toggle switches. And one little thing we still left to do, which is put on the sticker here for your switch gear and doing it. Now the fun stick, which is this one down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back, that is it. That's how quick you can change gear, and that's nice. So you're probably thinking, well, where's the handbrake? Well, on this particular one, it has electric handbrake. So one of these switches here, we have the park brake on here to engage the handbrake for it as well. So it's nice, clean, neat and tidy. And nice padded centre of tongue on top. We've got some IVA compliant padded seats in for the moment. They're all bolted in for the section. This is going to have some other seats in there afterwards, some nice padded type road race seats for the customer. And then moving around the back and the sides and everything else, it's got our wheels on it. These are the VR1s, all hooked up to Nankang tyres. Brilliant combination, lightweight, makes it really fast. Nice acceleration, tons of grip. All the wrap on the back looks cool. We've got our rear exit exhaust to keep it nice and quiet for IVA, and then we've got LED light pack. So fog light and number plate light all in one, and the all-in-one indicators, tail and brake for your LED squares on that. So popping into the boot though area, or no boot area as it would be, we have the fuel tank under here, all nice and clean. A nice 3:1:4 ratio differential on this because we've got more power, we've got more top speed, 140 plus mile an hour on this car. Double A arm wishbones, it's got billet bearing carriers all on the sides. Our fuel cap and everything else is in here. We're just doing a few other bits to tidy up for the IVA on this particular one, but not much to do really. And yeah, it's buttoned up, things like this for IVA, little covers that we have neat and tidy really. So yeah, that's it. I mean, there's still some bits to do for IVA that we've got to finish off, but it's just trying to give you where we're at with this stage of this vehicle. A couple of little bits is going in a couple of weeks time, and then post IVA we'll be doing some other modifications on it to make it where it wants to be. Choice of his windscreen or aero screen. I think this is having an aero screen on it, a wind deflector that will go on there, so we put all of those bits on for him as well. So if you want a car just like this, a cup car, you think I want a Hayabusa, or if you want a car engine with your standard H-pattern box, then you know what to do. Hook us up, phone call here at MK Sportscars, or come and see us at factories, or one of the shows that we've got coming up. Jump onto our Facebook page or jump onto our MK Sportscars webpage. Look under events and you can see car shows, open days, race meetings, all of the events that we're going to be attending in 2026. That's it guys, remember to do what? Yes, you press the like button, share, and I'll catch you next time.